Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. So today we will discuss different practices for managing hardware team productivity with Altium Develop. It will focus on practical and repeatable processes. So let's get started. Here we will discuss different shortcuts, tips and tricks for the designer or the teams to increase the productivity level. So first, if you want to share the project to someone, you don't need to open the project and then go to the schematics or the PCB for the share option. Just click on these three dots and you can see the share option. Just click over here and add the email address of the person to whom you want to share the project. And here I have added multiple emails to which I have shared the project. And here you can see click on share and add the email address usman.8511 at gmail.com. So you can share him for a view, or you can share it for editing purpose. So I have added for the editing purpose. So here you can see the dialog box. Are you sure you want to share this project with people that are not? So yes, I want. Check this box and click on the share button, and this project will be shared. So click. He it says this person is not on the workspace, so I would like to invite this person to our workspace. So when you click on invite, then the person will receive this type of email, so he can open this design in the Altium 365 workspace. So he will redirect it to my workspace. So I'm inviting him again. It's showing, do you want to really invite the person? Yes, I want to invite that person. Click invite and it will take few seconds. Wait for few seconds. Please give us a moment. We are almost there. Please give us a moment. Secondly, for the task, it's best practice not to go for the global task every time. If you are specific to some project and to some engineer, so let's go to the projects and open your any project, and you will see the same task option in your project panel as well. So on the left side you can see the tasks. So add the task here. So if the designer is designing the circuit or a PCB, so he can see the task in this manager box, and you can drag the project task by changing, if you want to change the status of your task, instead of just going to the setting and changing the status like this. So to save the time, it's best to drag and drop the task. Now see, here is our schematic sheet. How can we use the shortcuts here? Go to the commands and task panel and you will see all your tasks which we have just created over here. So the designer can just do these tasks and check these tasks to accomplished. So you can search by clicking on the search icon, as by writing the designator name. And in if we see here, the task is please change the capacitor C1 to 4.7. I have resolved this task, so because the as you can see on the screen, the capacitor value is 4.7 UF already. So I resolved this task and it's removed from the task bar. Thirdly, let's see this issue. There are no authoring ports available. This issue usually comes when you are beginner and starting the Altium develop for the first time or not familiar with it. So it's basically the sessions requirement. If you are using the session for the first time, you mistakenly log out from close the Altium Designer and then reopen it. It sometimes gives this type of error. So how to resolve this? Click on the admin option and go to the usage and billing, and it will load the page, and here you can see your billing and what who are the user added. So I have one author speed available and it's in use. So first release this seat and then change the workspace from some to some other workspace or close the Altium Designer. Then come back and again enter to that workspace. You will see the issue will be resolved. So let's move to some other workspace. Like I am moving towards the to the develop workspace. It's connecting me to the workspace. Let's wait a few seconds. So I am in the develop workspace now. So I have no errors here, but uh, is the error removed if I go back to my previous workspace? So it's connecting to my previous workspace. Now you can see I am again in my own workspace and the issue is resolved. And when you load this page, you will see again the authoring seed is added. So let's have a quick demo that if your reviewer assigned you a task, so how an engineer, how a designer will approach to that task. So here I am writing a demo task. Please change the capacitor. Now let's open that the designer will open the schematics and see where is the C1 by using the shortcut as discussed recently. So he will see the C1 is in the battery charger schematics, and he will open the battery charger schematics in the Altium Designer and will change the value or will do the task. He will change the capacitor value from 4.7 UF to 10 UF and click enter. Then again the same process, save the changes and save to the server. Click OK. You can add the comment here as well. C1 value changed to 10 UF. Click OK. It will push the changes and now done. So let's go back to the workspace and see it's not updated yet, because below you can see it's generating a new visualization. In the new visualization it will be updated. Wait for few seconds. Now see, it's updated. The C1 value is updated. So it was a simple demo that if a reviewer or someone assigned a task to an engineer, so how he will process that task, how will he do the changes by using different shortcuts like searching the components first and going back to the Altium Designer software and then again searching in that sheet, changing the value, doing the task, and coming back to the workspace to see if all the changes are there. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.